This is like an Ashanti song, girl. You just say baby, baby, baby the whole time because it's gonna be delicious. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Amigos, you all know that I've been transforming these recipes to make them quick and easy for busy parents, single mamas. I'm too busy to cook, it's getting too hot. Well, this is no exception. This recipe is gonna be quick and easy, full of flavor, so I hope you guys like steak and spaghetti. You're gonna need your favorite cut of steak or whatever's on sale. Today I'm gonna be using ribeye, but this works great with cube steak, New York steak, your favorite steak. It's gonna work. What you wanna do is you wanna add a little bit of salt, and by a little, I mean season it well, okay? We want that salt content, especially if you have a good cut of steak. But if you don't have, you know, such a great cut of steak, that's okay. You can use a little bit of chicken bouillon to sprinkle over instead of the salt, and it's gonna enhance the flavor of your delicious, juicy steak. Make sure to season it on both sides. Once you add your desired amount of seasoning, just come in and tap it gently. Give it a little gentle, suavecito touch, okay? And don't move your salt to the side yet. We are gonna need the salt to salt our water for our spaghetti, and we're gonna Warren Buffett this steak. If you guys don't know what that is, make sure to stick around till I'm done cooking the steak. I know you guys see a bottle and you get excited, but amigos, use your favorite oil. Today I'm gonna use olive oil. Cloud, you cannot chug this. She is acting like she's chugging it, guys. Ignore her. You'll need some chopped garlic, and if you can see, I just chopped it up really chunky because I want to bite into it. And if you chop it up really fine,
it's called minced garlic. Minced garlic.
No, this is not minced garlic.
What is that called?
It's a chunkier. It's Steph's garlic.
Oh my gosh.
She wants to argue today. Out of all
no,
days.
I don't. It looks minced from back here. You did a good job.
I coarsely chopped it.
Nice.
Oh, I'm being tested. And some thinly, here we go. Go ahead, come for me. Ooh. Some thinly chopped onions or sliced onions.
I'm impressed. You did so good.
Thank you. You are gonna need some butter, and that's all we're gonna need for our steak. Make sure you have your cast iron on. Warm it up at least 3 minutes by the time we get there. Today, I'm gonna be making my mother's spaghetti, which is our family favorite. You're gonna need some spaghetti, your favorite Parmesan, Mexican oregano, chicken bouillon, butter. Wow, I'm going in here just sneaking in like I'm gonna go into the concert.
Snakes and ladders.
And some tomato sauce, amigos. Now that we have this set, let's go ahead and get started on boiling our pasta. To your pot of boiling water, add some salt. And some salt, I just went in like this. And then I dropped it like it was hot. Ooh. You guys can break your pasta, but our family likes to slurp it. I mean, my babies are half Korean. And who doesn't love noodles?
Noodles, pasta, anything comforting and delicious like that. So just try to get the noodles wet here.
Yes, Cloud, just get the noodles wet. Get them all nice.
Awkward silence for a moment. You were in the zone.
It's because I'm hungry. I've been so hungry. So hungry, you guys.
Me too.
Forgive me for what I say going forward because I'm really, really hungry. Go ahead and place a lid and continue to boil. Make sure to follow the instructions on your packet. Amigos, I want you to pay attention. This pan has been warming up for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium high. I currently have it on a medium heat, but if you live in an apartment or a small area, make sure to bring out the fan. Get ready to crack that door because if this smoke sets the alarm, it's gonna be okay because this steak is gonna be that good. So go ahead and add your desired amount of oil, which is about 1.5 tablespoons. So you can use olive oil, canola oil, and that oil is gonna prevent our butter from burning when we add it. It's gonna get loud, so just place your steak and don't move it till I tell you. Ah! Continue to cook your steak on that side for 3 minutes, amigos. 3 minutes, I repeat, 3 minutes.
Permanecer sentados. Keep your hands and feet away from the oil.
After 3 minutes, we're gonna flip our steak. After 3 minutes, you wanna add your butter. And allow that to melt. We are going to get these flavors started, honey. Add your garlic, your onions. We're just gonna let them get nice and soft right there for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Be careful when you're tilting your pan. You don't want to burn yourself. And I'm trying to get some of this. I'm trying to get some of this juicy juice. Ooh, baby. Baby. This is like an Ashanti song, girl. You just say baby, baby, baby the whole time because it's gonna be delicious.
Can you take it to the top for me?
Oh, okay, yeah, you're ready.
I love onions with steak.
After 3 minutes, you want to flip your steak one more time. Woo! I'm gonna turn my pan off. I'm gonna place our onions over it. And I'm just going to set this to the side to let it rest for the good 5 minutes that every steak deserves. And while this is resting, we're going to get started on our spaghetti. Add a little bit of olive oil to your pan. If you don't have olive oil, make it comfortable for your home. Add your butter. And allow that to melt. Once your butter is melted, you're going to add your can of tomato sauce. Your chicken bouillon, and combine all the ingredients. You gotta move quickly because that tomato sauce is gonna start splashing everywhere, and you guys know how Cloud gets.
It's that Virgo moon that doesn't allow me to get dirty, okay?
Yeah, Beyonce, cálmate.
That's what I'm gonna blame it on. Shout out to Beyonce if she's ever watching one of our videos.
If she's ever watching and wants some quick steak and spaghetti, you know, make sure you guys tell Beyonce that we love her.
I think she's still vegan. We can make her some vegan.
You guys know I got it on Mondays. We'll make her
We're
steak
gonna
and
invite
spaghetti
her
for Beyonce
on Monday. Next on our cooking show, Beyonce knows.
Yes. Okay, after Beyonce shows up to your cooking segment, you want to take a little spoon. You want to taste the saltiness of your sauce. If you need a little bit more, go ahead and add it, but do not go heavy on the chicken bouillon for this particular recipe. Do not, because it absorbs it so fast and then it's ruined. So don't ruin it. Start with the measurements that I recommended.
Ooh, that is perfectly salted.
Add your pasta and combine all the ingredients. Should be really, really easy. We want a nice coat. You know, I had one of my aunts growing up, and she would make spaghetti, and somehow she would use ketchup and mustard, and I was really traumatized after that. So when I told my mom about it, that I wanted spaghetti, you know, these are American dishes in a way, Italian-American dishes.
They're Italian.
They're Italian, but here in the States,
Yeah.
you know, we've already Americanized just about everything, including all my Mexican recipes. So what I'm trying to say is that my mother made us spaghetti, and when I first had spaghetti, I was like, this doesn't taste like spaghetti, because it wasn't my mom's spaghetti. You guys, it's a little ignorant then, okay? So if you see this and it's not your spaghetti, try it. This is my mother's take on spaghetti, and it's absolutely amazing and affordable. Not that spaghetti's not affordable, but you know what I mean.
Everybody has a plain can of tomato sauce in their pantry.
You do, and we are using Mexican oregano. For this recipe for my mother's, please use Mexican oregano and try it. But if you only have the Italian seasoning, go for it. I encourage you. Sprinkle. And boom, done, amigos. We are ready to serve our steak and spaghetti. And if you hear the excitement in my voice, it's because I am very, very hungry.
And we just want to say hello to our Italian friends. Buongiorno a tutti.
Wow, Cloud, you are full of love. How did you learn how to speak Italian, Cloud?
It's such a long story, but I can't say that I'm fluent. But when you take me to go live in Italy for a few months, I can be fluent.
I would love to be fluent in Italian and their food, the cuisine.
I would volunteer you to move there, and then I'll follow.
Okay, friends, let us know if you want us to move to Italy, because I was already thinking about Ireland.
Nice.
We had a friend here yesterday from Ireland. I'm like, I want to live there.
Me too. We're going to visit first.
Remember I said to keep your salt handy? Now this is when you want to give it a touch of the Warren Buffett sprinkle of salt so that when that cut of steak hits your mouth, your tongue, you get the steak and the saltiness. Yummy. If you don't have Parmesan cheese, you can use a little bit of cotija Mexican cheese. You won't know the difference.
You brought back that Kraft powdered cheese.
There's a snack that I'm going to be making on the sister channel, but it requires this kind of cheese. It won't work with anything else. It has to be this stinker. I didn't say sinker, I said stinker. Remember when I said let it rest on your pan for about 5 minutes? Well, those juices that normally fall on your cutting board or your plate, we get to just pour them right on top. Just like that.
You're my kitchen hero.
Hey, I didn't say I can keep a man happy, but I sure know how to feed him. As always, Cloud and I are wishing you the best. We absolutely adore you. And friends, for those of you that want to find me when I'm not on Views on the Road, you can find me on my personal Instagram, which is SoyStephViews. Cloud, where can we find you?
Soy Cloud Views.
Ooh, be careful because Cloud's going to educate you and bore you. She says don't follow her, but I think you should. And on that one, amigos, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios. Say ave. You like it? Do you remember last time you were on the video and we did the spaghetti, grandma spaghetti? I think you were like 3 years old. You don't remember? I'm gonna have to show you guys. I'll link that recipe in the description area, but we made the spaghetti before on the channel and he was so tiny I about cried.
He's so big now.
You're so big. Do you want to say bye adios with me?
Bye.
Bye. Adios. Bebe, you get so shy, mi amor. That's okay. Are you sure you don't want to try the steak?
Sure.
Sure? Okay. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you. Do you want some onions?
Yes, please.
Ooh, these onions are sweet, so I know your little sugar rush is going to be so happy. Just like your Mimo's tummy.
And your phone.
You know, your emo likes to tease me. Ready? Big, big, big. It works? Well, what you guys don't know is that Bebe is more of a pescatarian, vegetarian. That's his preference. So if you like this steak, I did a good job. High five. All right, amigos, I'm going to give you guys a quick taste. And then I'm going to sit down and eat with my family. Ooh, this is a juicy. Oh my goodness. See, when you're making it for kids, you have to make it, you know, medium well. And amigos, it still stays so juicy. Look at that. I don't want anybody getting jealous, so go ahead and take a big, big bite.
Suavecito, suavecito. Woo! Así corre el campeón.
I feel like I'm apocalyptic right now with my hair, girl.
Oh no, you better please come back to this kitchen.
Cuando calienta el sol, cuando calienta.
Honestly, Miss Miguel should be the only one singing that song.
You're right.
We ruined it. Cuando calienta el sol.
No.
Aquí en la
Don't make it
playa.
sexy. Don't make it sexy.
What? I was getting close to
No.
when he's laying down in the room and he's pulling his hair and he's really...
He made it sexy.
He was so fake golden that day.
Isn't it funny when we know we're going to eat something good, we start singing Luis Miguel?
Yeah. Like, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not like, yeah.
Estás
basta.
como the hot chick.
I wasn't saying, yeah, basta. I was like, yeah, that's
Yeah.
me, Jessica. I wonder how many Views Club members have the name Jessica. If your name is Jessica, show up in the comments, but you're not going to fight. We just want to give you some love.
Bueno, le está tomando el cast iron grandote. Remember we almost got rid of him?
Who's we? I convinced you not to.
Es que me hizo enojar and I was going through things, okay?
You were.
Going through a lot of things. Now everybody knows what I was going
¿Qué te hizo el sartén?
Nada.
¿Se pegó? ¿Quién es? ¿A quién estás
through.
esperando?
Nadie.
¿Quién es, mija?
Cállate.
A mí me dices todo. ¿Quién es? Si es el DoorDasher, te voy a desgreñar, ¿eh?
¿Cómo es el DoorDash? No.
A estas horas.
No, ahora no es DoorDash Day.
Ah, a las 8 de la mañana el DoorDash está en efecto, en directo. Vámonos. No tengo ni los piojos de la Beyoncé.
Ay, no, mija, yo tampoco.
No, ella no es piojosa. No, ¿qué estoy diciendo? No, yo no. I'm not worthy.
Don't all in the same sentence. No
She
seas tan
doesn't-
mexicana.
We shouldn't be talking about her at all.
Not like that, you shouldn't.